Hello. You look very pretty. Hold on. Can you try to speak, honey? Can I hear your voice? Oh yeah. Honey, it's very small. It's too small again. Did you charge your AirPods?
It's okay.
No. It's very small. Can you get your AirPods? Did you charge it?
Ôi, nhà ta là sạc cái tai nghe chưa? Cái tai nghe của bố mất. Cái tai nghe à? Sạc chưa?
Okay, connect it first.
Dạ.
Okay, yes. That's good. Better. Okay. So honey, if you may find it look like I'm going to wear this, okay? I'm just going to inform you that my glass is broken, but I'm still going to use it. Okay, so anyway, Tram, how's your day? Can you share to me how's your day?
Yes. Dạ.
Okay. Did you go out today?
No.
No. Okay, I see. You don't have any extra classes on Sunday nowadays. Well, that's great
Yeah.
to hear. Okay. Okay. So you only have extra classes when it's weekdays. Yeah.
Yeah.
Honey, I encourage you to speak more, okay? And then speak longer sentence. Yeah. Okay? Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I want you to express yourself. Talk more. And teacher's going to listen. Okay, so right now we are going to continue with our material, which is Cat 4 Test 2. And we only have two more pages left. Okay. I think you can see teacher screen now.
Yes, I can.
Yes. Okay, so last time, honey, we had this one, but we weren't able to continue this. We were just able to talk about a computer cafe, right?
Yes.
Yes. Now, what is a computer cafe again, honey?
It's a plate have a lot of coffee, a lot of computer
Mhm.
and drink.
Yes. Can we eat something from a computer cafe, honey?
Yes.
Yes, we can.
Uh, this week.
Oh, do you have something like that there in Vietnam where we can eat while
Noodle.
using computers?
Can
Yeah.
eat noodle.
In a computer cafe?
Yeah.
Wow. And last time you told me you call it net shop, a net cafe, right? Yeah. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I see.
Yes.
Have you been to a place like that before?
Yes.
How's your experience? How was your experience? Was it
No, I
nice?
never go to the computer cafe.
Oh yeah, a while ago you said yes. So I thought you've
No.
experienced it. Yeah, okay. Yes, I said, have you been to a place like I said, have you been to a place like that before? And then you said yes. Yeah.
No.
You said
No.
yes
No.
a while ago. Okay, anyway. Now we're going to have the Small World Coffee computer shop. And please read the prompt card inside. Please read what's written in a prompt card. Tram.
Small World Computer Cafe. £1 for 30 minutes on computer. Tuesday to Sunday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Cakes, cold drinks, coffee. 23,
George
20
Street.
George Street.
Okay, so now let's create your questions. Let's have now number 1.
What is the name of the cafe?
Yes. Very good. 2.
Where is the cafe open?
It's about the location, honey.
What is the location of the cafe?
But it starts with where?
Where is the location of the cafe?
Yes. Yes, that's it. 3.
Is it open on Sunday? On Sunday.
Okay. 4.
How much is is um how much is the computer cafe cost?
Or how much does it cost? Does it cost to be in the computer cafe? Yeah. Because here, honey, it's 30 minutes on a computer. Okay. Please read question number 4 again, honey. Tram.
How much does it cost to be in the computer cafe?
Okay. 5.
Um, what food can we eat in the cafe?
Okay, that is it. What food can we eat in the cafe? Now let's have number 1, honey. Okay, let's answer number 1. What is the name of the cafe?
The name of the cafe is Computer Cafe.
Yes. Small world. Small world.
Small World Computer Cafe.
Okay, 2. Where is the location of the computer cafe?
The location of the computer cafe is 23 George Street.
Yes. It is located in 23 George Street. Very good, Tram. Number 3, is it open on Sunday?
Now, this is open from Tuesday to Sunday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Next, what food can we eat in the cafe?
We can eat cake in cafe.
Okay, we can eat cakes in the cafe, the computer cafe. The cafe, sorry. Okay, so let's have number 1. Let's read number 1. What is the name of the cafe?
The name of the cafe is Small World Computer Cafe.
Where is the location of the computer cafe?
It is located in 23 George Street.
Yes. Is it open on Sunday?
Yes, it is open from Tuesday to Sunday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m.
What food can we eat in the cafe?
We can eat cake in the cafe.
There we go. Thank you so much, Tram. That's a great job, smart girl. Now let's move forward to the next one. So based on the given information, you will talk about the Small World Computer Cafe. Let's say you're the owner. You're the owner of the Small World Computer Cafe. You have to tell me something about it so that I'll go there.
Hi, everyone. I have a video of my new cafe, and it's named Small World Computer Cafe. Um, you uh you can play 30 minutes on the cafe for £1. No, it's open Tuesday to Sunday at um 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. You can eat cakes or drink cold drinks, coffee. It is in It is on 23 York Street.
Very good. Perfect. That's the perfect one. You can eat cakes. I appreciate what you said when you said you can eat cakes, you can drink, and you separated the drinks, honey, and you really said you can drink cold drinks or coffee. That's great. Perfect. Okay, so anyway, honey, do you have any questions with regards to this material?
No,
No. You say no, I don't have.
no, I don't have.
Yes. Okay, so let's have the next one. We are now going to have the Cat 4 Test 3 tram. As you can see, we are going to have, same as usual, we're going to have the part 1. Okay, so let's have these following questions, honey, okay? All right,
Okay.
let's have question number 1. How is your health, tram? How is it?
My health is healthy.
Wow. Okay. Now, what health problems do you worry about the most, Tram? Me, I worry about stomach ache and headache and fever. How about you?
I worry about my eye because I watch TV every day.
Ah, and you're worried that it might be what? It might hurt?
Yeah,
Oh, have you ever experienced having your eyes really hurt because of watching TV?
yeah,
Yeah,
yes.
that's why you have glasses. Okay, I see. Okay, let's have number 3. What do you do to keep fit and healthy?
To keep fit, to keep my health fit and healthy, we can do exercise every day. Drink water a lot.
Mhm.
Um, play sports or don't watching TV a lot. Yeah.
Okay, don't. Yes, very good, Trump. That is it. Correct. That's perfect. So instead of saying don't watching TV a lot, you say don't watch TV a lot. Yeah. Do you practice these things, Tram? Like, do you do these things for you to be healthy? Great. Okay. You want to say something more?
Only I watch TV a lot.
Ah, oh no. Okay, what will happen? What will happen to a person that happen that what will happen to a person that always watching TV a lot, honey? That's watching TV a lot. What do you think?
The eye will hurt, or you must wear glasses.
Yes. And that's what's happening to you now. You're wearing glasses now. And that is actually true, honey, because for me, when I was a kid, I always use phone. You know, not the touch screen phone, but I always text using the keypad phones, honey. Do you know the keypad phones? Wait, I'm going to show you. Keypad. We didn't have we didn't have touchscreen phones before, honey. So we had these. We had these phones. And we can use this to, read ebooks and Wattpads. Yeah. That's the reason why I am wearing glasses now because of using too much cell phone when I was a teenager. And I was texting my boyfriends before. That's why I hurt my eyes. What you said a while ago that if we're overly using or, um, watching TV or using screens, honey, that will definitely um, harm our eyes. So that's correct. Okay, let's have this one. Question number 4. How often do you have a medical checkup, Tram? Honey, you're mute. You're mute. You're mute. You forgot to
One
unmute it.
once a month. No.
Ah,
Yeah, I think once. No, twice a year.
twice a year. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Me, honey, I think it has been 5 years that I didn't go to have like a medical checkup. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Why do you need to have a medical checkup, Tram?
Oh, I have a medical checkup when my glasses is broken because my mom is a pharmacist, so she has a lot of medicine of my eye.
Ah,
So I
ah,
don't need to go to the medicine check. Yeah,
ah. So it's your mom who gives you medicines. Yeah, free
yeah,
medicine because she is a pharmacist. Yes, I know that one, honey, because she posts a lot of medicines on in Facebook. She said, "Oh," and she owns a shop, right? She owns like a clinic, not clinic, but a
yeah.
pharmacy store. Okay, wow. You're so lucky. You're very lucky, honey. When you get sick, you can just grab medicine from your mom's pharmacy. Yeah, when you're feeling weak, you can just get vitamins from your mom. Wow. Okay. Meanwhile, us, we really need to go to the pharmacy and buy expensive medicines. You're very blessed and lucky. Okay, let's have number 5. What diseases kill the most people worldwide, Tram?
Yeah, I don't understand
Mhm.
the question. I don't
I don't.
understand the question.
Okay. What's the disease, honey, that kills most of the people in the world? For example, heart disease, cancer. Okay. What are the diseases that you know that kills many people in the world? Give me one example. Diabetes. What else? COVID-19. How about you? What are the diseases that you know? You can search. You can search. It's okay.
Okay, I should.
Okay. You can
I'm
search.
certain.
You don't really know like a disease, honey?
No, now I know.
Okay, okay, okay. Give me one example.
Yeah.
Give me an
Yeah, I
example.
think it's that
Huh?
I think it's cancer.
Yes, it's cancer. Do you know cancer? Do you know that disease?
I know.
Yes, very good. Sometimes lupus. Yeah. Here, honey, the most common disease here is high blood pressure. How do I say this one? Yeah, high blood pressure. And then heart attack, heart diseases, and cancer. These are the most common, um, how do I say this? These are the most common diseases in the Philippines. Yeah, but right
Or
now,
even I have stroke.
yeah, the stroke. Okay. Maybe it's not really that hot there, right? Or maybe the food that you eat. Maybe from the food that you eat. Yes. Okay, thank you so much for answering these questions, Tram. Now let's move forward to the things. Okay, these are the vocabularies or the sentences you can say if you are ill. Okay, we have here the first one. First one is,
You.
yeah, I can't go with you. I'm ill. Yeah. I can't study right now, teacher, because I'm ill. That means you're sick. Okay. The second one, have
I feel really
rough.
rough.
Rough. Yeah. That means you're feeling really hard. Yeah. It feels so hard right now because you're feeling sick. Okay. Can you make it into a sentence, Tram? Tram, can you go with me to school?
Sorry, I have a fever.
Yes, I feel really rough. Sorry, I can't go with you to school because I
I
feel.
really rough.
Yes,
Yeah,
okay. Next, we have here the.
I am shattered,
Yes, great. I'm shattered. It means
meaning tired out or is
exhausted.
exhausted.
Yes, I'm shattered, meaning tired or exhausted, honey. You're very tired. You don't have the energy to go. Okay, okay. Tram, can you go with me to the soccer practice?
Sorry, I am shattered.
Mm, very good. Or sorry, I can't go with you. I'm very shattered today. Okay, next we have here this one.
I'm on my last leg.
I'm on my
Is to
last
be very
legs.
tired, to be very tired, especially after a lot of physical activity or work.
Very good. Okay, when you're from the school, honey, and you had a lot of activities from school, the teachers made you do a lot of activities that made you very, very tired. So you can say, for example, Tram, can we go to the movie theater and let's watch Avatar 3?
Sorry, I can't go. I am on my last legs.
Yes, I'm on my last legs. Very good. Next one is, oh, these are very, very, these are very, very common phrases or common words. For example, I feel,
Look hot, I feel look poorly, picky, rough, bloody, awful.
yes, I feel poorly, I look for poorly, I feel picky, I look picky, I feel, no, I'm sorry. Sorry, no. I feel poorly. I look poorly. I feel picky. I look picky. I feel rough. I feel bloody, awful. Okay? Words that describes how sick you are, how unenergetic you are. You really can't. Okay, choose one here, honey. Choose one here. Choose one word. Maybe poorly, picky, rough, or bloody, awful. Okay, let's go. Tram,
Awful.
can you play pickleball with me later?
Sorry, I can't play. I feel really awful.
Yes, very good. Okay, next. Let's have this one.
I feel look like this warmed up.
Okay. You can say, I feel like death warmed up. Or I look I look like death warmed up. What does it mean? What do you think, honey? What do you think is the meaning of that? Death warmed up.
Is is cold.
Okay. It means that it feels like you're not like you're extremely sick, honey, that it feels like the death is waving at you. It means like you're almost dying. Something like that. It feels like you're almost dying. You're ready to die. Something like that. And that's a negative word. Okay? So thank you so much, honey, for that one. Let's have this one. So here are the things that you can say how okay you are or that you are feeling okay. Let's have the first one.
I am alive and kicking. Is to continue to be well, healthy, or successful.
Very good. This is very common. This is a very, very famous phrase in the Philippines. Like, for example, your teacher asks you, Tron, how are you? You will just say, oh, teacher, I'm alive and kicking. That means you are very happy, you're successful, and you're healthy. Yeah. Okay, Tram, how are you, Tram?
I'm alive and kicking.
Yes. Okay. How's your mom, Tram? She's
Ma- She is alive and kicking.
yes, that is it. That means your mom's healthy. Next, the most common one we have here.
Is I am feel good.
Yes,
Used to talk about emotional state.
yes, like you're feeling good. I think you know this one. Okay, let's use this. Okay, Tram, how do you feel today?
I feel good.
Yes, I feel good. Next, Heather,
I feel great. I feel great. Wow.
I feel great or I feel well. Okay. Next,
Here is a picture of good healthy. To be in a very healthy condition.
yeah, describing someone that looks very healthy, honey. For example, my dad is a picture of a good health. That means my dad is in a good condition. Okay, you use it in a sentence.
My mom is a picture of good health.
Very good, perfect. Next one.
She is whole and healthy to be in a good health.
To be okay, she is hale, honey. She is hale and hearty. That means it's also the same with here, honey. That means this person, you're describing someone that's very healthy. Yeah. Okay. Now I want you to make this one into a sentence or use this one into a sentence. Let's go.
My brother is whole and healthy
Very good. Honey,
and healthy.
hale. Yes, hearty. Okay. Which one is your favorite here, honey?
I feel great. Wow.
Me, my favorite here is I'm alive and kicking. Okay. I always, when someone's asking me, Tram, when someone's asking me how am I always answer this. I am alive and kicking. Okay. Next time if I'm going to ask you, Trum, how are you today? You're just going to say, can you practice saying this? I am.
Alive and kicking.
Yes. Okay. Let's have this one. Is it cold there, Tram, these days?
It's warm.
Ah, because you're always wearing, long sleeves, sweaters. Let's have this one, honey. We have here um health problems, okay? Different kinds of health problems. We have here the first one, honey. Can you read it? It is?
Chicken pox.
Yes, chicken pox, honey. And actually, honey, I experienced this one last year. You know what? I really stopped working in my daytime work because of this one, the chicken pox. When you have a chicken pox, honey, you have like the red spots in your body. Okay, I will show you. I'll show you. Maybe you had this one before, or no? Chicken. And this only happens for a person once in his life or her life. Here, let me show you. This is how the chicken pox looks like, honey. This is like a virus, actually. I've gotten this before. Have you ever tried this, or have you ever seen this? Yeah.
I
Okay.
know it.
You know this one. Anyway, honey, it is already time. We just have less than a minute. Okay. Thank you so much, my dear, for your time, and see you on Thursday. You did great.